Hello, my friends. I quickly wanted to show you how you can record your presentation using OBS or Open Broadcasting software. So, so this is a software. So you can just download it, search for OBS, and you can download this software. Inside the software, what you see is you probably see a screen similar to mine. The first thing that you need to do is that make sure that you focus on the recording. If you're when you install it and run it, it asks you whether you want to focus on streaming or recording. You could say that what you want to do is mostly recording. So when you click on that and do that, you come to this screen. Here on this section under sources, it shows you the sources that you can use. By default, you don't have anything, I guess. So what you can do, you can choose add. And here, there are different sources that you can add. The most important ones that you need to focus on is maybe the display capture or window capture if you just want to focus on one window. But display capture is a good one. So you click on that. It shows you that it's creating a new display capture. You could click OK. I already have one, so I just you can see that my display is being shown here. There is a preview here that I just disabled it for now. You can, if you enable it, this is something that you may see. Don't freak out. This is just basically your screen and the preview of what it contains. You can play with it. It's a little bit fun, but after that, you just want to do some actual work. So we disable it for now. Another important thing is that you need to have some input audio capture. So you could click add, and if you want to record your microphone, you could click on input capture. If you have called someone on Zoom or another place, or your software has some sound, you could click on audio output capture as well. Those are the main two things that you could use. If you want to record your webcam as well, you could click on the video capture device, if I'm not wrong. And then it will bring your video here, and you could use that as well. So once you have that, make sure that both of them are enabled and visible. If I disable the display capture, I will not see anything, so I don't want to do that. While you're speaking, if you want to make sure that your sound is recorded, make sure that when you speak, there is something going on here under audio input capture. If I don't speak, it will look like this. So also make sure that you have enough, like you speak loud enough, or your microphone is a good microphone and it's very close. If not, you could adjust the level. So this is a little bit too loud for my microphone, so I make it a little bit lower, so a lower decibel, and now it goes like it stays within the green range or a little bit over yellow, which is kind of fine. I don't have anything playing right now, and also this is my microphone here that I need to take care of. I don't know if there is something separately for microphone, but that's usually, these two are basically kind of the same thing. So you could also adjust that, and maybe there are some properties. Here you can select a different microphone if you have more than one. So that's it. You can stop recording. There's a good functionality here, which is pausing. It's a great idea to pause if you don't want to record anything for a few seconds or even minutes. You could just pause the recording. So I click on pause now to show this functionality. So you can see that now that I unpaused it, I'm actually in another slide. So you could use that functionality to just pause, prepare a new demo or something that you want to show quickly, so that the time is not wasted on your audio. Another great feature that I found is that if you go to the settings, you could go to the hotkeys, and you could actually assign some shortcut for recording and pausing. For pausing, I found it very useful. So You just need to press something, put something for here, like F4 I added, and maybe for starting I put F2. So F2 or F3. So if you want to make sure that you just started your presentation, then there's an icon that it should show, like there's an icon, and you could just double check that. Otherwise, now if I come here and I press the well, actually pause and you didn't see that. So so that is something that you could actually use. So I just wanted to share that with you, that you could do all these, and once you're done, you could actually save that file. It creates a file very quickly, and you could just go to YouTube and click on share, and click on upload a new video, and while it uploads, you can just put some information, and at the third step it asks whether it is going to be an unlisted video or not. So that's a choice that you have. You can make it public or you could make it unlisted, and then you could share the link with me so that I can share it with other people. And just one important thing is that by default, I assume that you're okay with sharing your presentation with different, like your classmates. So because that is the goal of your presentations anyway. If you're not okay with that, let me know. Okay, thank you, and have a good day.